Founded in 2012, Zhejiang Geyi Medical Instrument Company Limited is a professional enterprise integrating research and development, design, production, and sales of abdominal and urinary and anorectal surgical instruments. The main products are disposable trocars, disposable suction irrigation sets, surgical staplers, and minimally invasive surgical instruments of both disposable and reusable laparoscopic instruments. Geyi Medical has professional R&D, QA, production and management team. It has domestically advanced modern processing conditions and testing methods, a 100,000 level purification production workshop and production line which meet GMP requirements, and has established microbial limit, sterility test, positive control, physical and chemical laboratory, and other testing departments. The research and development team closely follows the development of the medical industry, focuses on scientific and technological innovation, combines clinical operation experience, and develops more practical products. We strictly follow ISO 13485 and carry out scientific management in accordance with the quality system, and have formed a mature management policy from product design, production, incoming and finished products inspection to sales and after-sales service. With the support of hundreds of hospitals in China and foreign partners from more than 50 countries, we aim to serve excellent product, reliable after-sales service with our distributors at home and abroad. At Geyi Medical, we believe in the power of medical technology to improve lives. For the benefit of patients is the eternal goal of our company.